Hi friends, this video shows how to fix quick share problems. Nearby devices are not listing. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Here you can see two Android phones. I am going to transfer one file from this phone to this one. So let me open gallery. In this phone I am going to select one file to transfer. Go to gallery or photos. Then let me go to download, then select one image. Okay, then tap on this share icon. Then here I am going to select quick share. Tap on this quick share icon. You can see it's looking for nearby devices. Now let me go to the second phone. So here I am going to open the settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Then tap on the search field. Then search for quick share. You can see the quick share option. Tap on quick share. Here you can see the device name, that is the name of this phone. If you want to change, you can change here. Then tap on this option, who can share with you. Then enable this option, visible to nearby devices. Enable it. Then select this option, everyone. Select it, done. So now this phone should show name of this phone, but we can see it's not detected this phone. Still is looking for nearby devices. So this is the issue. I will show you how we can fix it. In the second phone we have to ensure that Bluetooth is on. We can see right now Bluetooth is off. Just turn on Bluetooth here, that's all. Now please wait. Okay, done. You can see now we can see the name of the phone here. Now this phone has detected this phone. Now tap on this phone name. Then in this second phone you get a prompt. Here you have to tap on accept. Done. So now I have received that image here. Now I can open it. See, so this way we can fix quick share or nearby share file transfer issue. After this file transfer, if you want to turn off quick share, you can turn off. Again, go to this quick share setting, then disable this option, visible to nearby devices. Disable it. That way we can turn off quick share after file transfer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.